Hi guys, my name is Adel. I'm from Liverpool. So about a year ago, I got recommended to come here to Estapure clinic. So I've done my beard first. As you can see, the results are amazing. But going from the start, the service is amazing. Staff are very professional, very friendly as well with you. From the moment you get off the airport, you're getting picked up, taken to your hotel. Very, very nice hotel. And then literally the following year, I've decided to come back and do my smile. Very happy at Estapure. I would recommend them to anybody. I was recommended here myself and I'm very happy. 10 out of 10. Thank you Estapure for fixing my life and my smile.